Hey tech enthusiasts and future tech-savvy managers. Today, we're diving into the digital jungle with tips to master the managerial matrix. Ready to harness tech for maximum productivity? Let's roll! Picture this. You're drowning in a sea of emails, lost in a jumble of project management tools, and your smartphone is buzzing like a caffeinated bee. Sound familiar? Fear not, my friends. We've got the antidote to the digital dilemma. Trick number 1: Inbox Zen. Tame that email monster. Set specific times to check emails, use filters, and declutter your inbox. Trust me, your sanity will thank you later. Now, let's tackle Project Pandemonium. It's time to be the project ninja you were born to be. Trick number 2: Project Jedi. Embrace the force of project management tools. Find the one that suits your team, and voila! You'll be slicing through tasks like a lightsaber through butter. The sweet symphony of smartphones. It's a love-hate relationship, isn't it? Trick number 3: App Attack. Identify the apps that make your life easier, and delete the ones that are just clutter. Your phone will thank you, and so will your brain. Trick number 4: Meeting Maestro. Cut down on meeting time by setting clear agendas, using video conferencing wisely, and keeping it all streamlined. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech-tastic content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat.